Oh, come here. Come here.
Aww.
This is Totoro. Totoro? I don't know Totoro. Okay.
Totoro. 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 Sit.
Like body handling. So, what this is gonna look like, I'm gonna touch a puppy tail, give some treats while that's happening, and then stop at the same time. Little love bites, yes, it's very, very cute. I know we're working on this, no, aren't we? We're working on it. I know. It's amazing.
He would play like this for half an hour.
I know, that's what
I just like.
we're remarking on that, like how she can just go like a skajillion % for such a long time.
Hey, got it.